Hi guys, welcome to channel Crack It. Today we are gonna discuss about new job opportunities which is most awaited Cognizant. And in this video we are going to see selection process and eligibility criteria for Cognizant recruitment 2021. Actually it's off campus. Last time approximately 15 to 20k people for 2021 batches for on campus were taken and while waiting just click on the link given to redirect to the page Superset account. Superset account just a platform where just conducting the off-campus examination for Cognizant. Last time it also conducted Capgemini exam and other all. Yeah, coming to the role is like named as a Gen-Z developer and the compensation is given at 4 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs. 4 lakhs is before provision period and 4.5 is after provision period. Coming to job, and you will be learn about different type of agile application development environment and will be follow the cycle, and you also maintain test debug and deploy code as per the requirement specification. And last date of the application is 11th June we seen. And to know the eligibility criteria just click on it. And 2021 batches of BTech, BE and MTech CA will be eligible. Eligibility criteria is minimum of having 60% in 10th as well as in diploma having a minimum percentage is mandatory. And in coming to the BTech there is no availability in standing areas during the onboarding, and the gap is to be maximum of 2 years, else you will not be eligible. And minimum of 60% in BTech, all the subjects will be taken into consideration. It is mandatory. Yeah, open only to Indian national. Flexibility relocate to anywhere in India, work in shift, and there are many. You have many location like Bangalore, Hyderabad, and actually it mainly depends on the business requirement. You will be unaware like which you will be get. Just they will be asked about the base which location will be suitable to you, but it's just like a consideration. If you if there is a availability in the particular location you will be get, else basically it depends on the business requirement. And they should be upload the resume with embedded photograph is mandatory actually on resume with proper, and all the academic documents including school certificates and college semester marks sheets and government ID scanned as one .pdf file you are able to see here, and it should be applied during the test actually. Just convert it into a .pdf file, that's enough. And students should have soft copies of the below mentioned documents ready to share during the online interview. Yeah, after once you clear the written test, you will be scheduled for interview. The interview process you need to upload resume, so that the based on the resume they are gonna ask, and all the according mark sheets and certifications for verification. Other part is if available. Any one of the government is mandatory. And this was of the eligibility criteria and student information. And coming to the selection process, round 1 will be the aptitude, but it's purely round 1 written test. The person who qualify the written test will be getting a mail in 2 to 3 weeks. And sometimes they also have the sectional cutoff. You need to qualify the better in every round aspects. Try to be better because off campus is like little difficult, so try to qualify in all rounds, so it better to be get high chances to get to next interview. And the Gen-Z interview you will be asked about technical skills and the general questions, and it also includes like basics HR also questions at last, nothing to worry. And I also think to say like try to do a code at the interview because there are also chances, and the And you may think that if they completed the round 1 there is nothing to do about the aptitude again, but it's wrong. In the interview they also ask to do aptitude questions again, so try to learn aptitude. Definitely it's not only cognizant, it also helpful for the any other placements, so try to do the aptitude questions perfectly, right? And coming to the interview they also ask questions like aptitude. They are gonna ask 2 to 3 questions related to aptitude, and a basic coding like palindrome, prime. They may ask to write on a card. They will be checked like if you are able to write or not. That's about the interview. And after clearing the interview, and the GenC offer is before the provision period around the 4.5 4, and after the provision period you will be C 4.5, and the in-hand will be little different like after the cuttings of MNC. So, and this was about the selection process. This was about the cognizant, and hope you will be do good in interview and written test. And please subscribe to the Crack It for more off-campus and on-campus updates. Thank you.